I've found a new, easy way to swipe cash from the Forex markets, and I'm excited to share it with you. It's perfect for you if you know almost nothing about trading but want to get easy daily income from it. If you're already a winning maverick, you'll want to use it to stack even more profits on your already successful trading. And guess what? It's not complicated. In fact, I urged my skilled team of developers to make it super simple so even someone with grade level education could easily win trades with it. Here's what you do. Buy or sell when a signal arrow appears and close trades when the indicator tells you to. That's it! A buy or sell arrow will appear with a recommended stop loss, and then you will get up to 3 adaptive take profit levels. What could be easier than that? This indicator works on the 1-minute and 5-minute time frames, giving you the power to get in and out of trades really fast. Even if you have a small account, you could easily make 5 to 10 quick trades that would boost you to $100 or more per day. Plus, compounding those profits over time can empower you to finally become financially free. Getting a daily, full-time pay at home is indeed possible. For years, I jumped from one job to another, thinking the next one would be it. But every time I made a move thinking the grass would be greener on the other side, what I discovered was more dirt. I was tired of it, and I vowed the vicious cycle I was in had to end. So here's what I did. I saved up 1 year's salary. Then, the very next day after achieving that total, I handed in my resignation and never looked back. You can't imagine the feeling of having that huge weight slide off me. I have never felt such freedom. It was exhilarating. But here's the thing. It was very, very important that I maintain it. No way did I ever want my new life in trading to be anything like the one I'd left behind. That's why I'm disgusted by traders who preach that you must sit in front of the computer for 8 to 12 hours on end. That's crazy. It totally defeats the purpose of trading for a living, doesn't it? The whole idea is to do what you want, when you want, while making money at will. If that's not what you want, might as well go back to the 9 to 5, because any way you take it, you'll still be a slave. You're looking for an escape, right? What you need is a scientific indicator that's been tested and proven to pump profits out of the markets at an alarming rate. One that kills judgment and is rooted on a profitable, proven, rigid formula that makes Forex cash easy for the taking. And really, I couldn't have found a better name for my amazing system. I call it Alfa Scalper. It's an ultimate next-gen indicator with unique adaptive scalping technology, a groundbreaking technology that empowers anyone, regardless of skill, to quickly and easily take profits from the Forex market with extremely low risk. Here, feast your eyes on this. 27, 30, and 19 pips on British pound, Japanese yen 1-minute chart. British pound, Canadian dollar 1-minute chart. 23, 34, and 55 pips profit. Now, let me show you some trades on 5-minute chart. 4 astonishing wins on Euro Japanese yen for a total of 140 pips. If the market is strong, Alfa Scalper can help you make an even bigger profit per trade. Have a look at this. 2 trades with 39 pips each and a whopping 133 pips trade on Euro Australian dollar. Listen, you will be able to get the same tool to duplicate the trades I just showed you whenever you want. Profit opportunities are literally waiting for you to pounce upon using Alfa Scalper. I can't stress that enough. You see, instead of wondering where to buy and sell, it's already done for you. No entering when it's already too late. You'll get in early and will be informed when it's best to close for a profit, with no repaint whatsoever. That's why I said if you know nothing about Forex, it will still be easy for you. Yes, it's dead simple. It's even possible that, within a matter of weeks, if you showed your trading record to someone who's been at it for years, they probably wouldn't believe you had no training whatsoever. This is your shortcut. This is your route to trading bliss. Alfa Scalper will fill you with so much confidence, you'll know that achieving freedom is only a matter of time. But if you're still not convinced, I totally understand. I know the Forex industry is not the cleanest, and over the years, it's been ravaged and plundered by scammers masquerading as experts. Maybe you've been suckered by them in the past. I have, so I completely understand where you're coming from. But I want to prove to you I'm not like them. Because think about it, if I hand you Alpha Scalper and you find it's a fluke, how will you trust me again? You won't, and I don't want to jeopardize that. Our relationship is very important to me. I want you to have success. So, at this point, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Karl Dittman. I was once where you're at right now. I was desperate for change, and I knew Forex could change my life. Like you, I bought product after product, studied videos, and went to Forex seminars, but the cobwebs in my brain only got thicker. I couldn't make sense out of anything. It was analysis paralysis. Needless to say, when I mustered enough capital from my salary from whatever job I was working at the time, I would blow my account within a matter of weeks. That didn't deter me though. I studied even harder and formed my own strategies that soon had me winning trades consistently. Now, today, I'm a full-blown, full-time trader who enjoys sharing what I know with people like you who are trying to find their way. Instead of telling my children and wife we can't afford it when they want to go on a holiday, I now ask them, where do you guys want to go? I don't cringe when I'm attacked by an unexpected bill. I easily pay it. It feels good to be a provider for my family. It feels good to be in control. And that's the power I want you to have. That's the power Alpha Scalper can give you. Alpha Scalper does all the work for you. Anyone with any experience level will be able to win trades with it. Forgive me if I sound repetitive, but I must stress again that it will be easy to win trades. As soon as Alpha Scalper detects and confirms a trading opportunity, it immediately alerts you. Then you will take your profit right before the market starts to go in the other direction. That's simply the basis of it. And the thing is, good trading opportunities appear many times a day on multiple currency pairs. You can pick and choose which signals you want to trade. It doesn't matter. Alpha Scalper will hand you any amount of trades you're willing to take. As soon as there's a new trading opportunity, Alpha Scalper generates a buy or a sell arrow and a stop loss. And during the course of the trade, up to 3 take profit levels can appear once certain conditions are met. What this means is, you have no doubt about where price is headed. You simply set the targets and wait for price to hit. See how simple it is? But still, there is more I want to share. The signals always stay fixed in place when they appear. No repainting, unlike other indicators. Quick profits on the 1-minute and 5-minute time frames to rapidly grow your account. No doubt about when to close trades. You're told precisely where to get out to lock in profits. But there's more. Alpha Scalper is engineered to suit every trading style. If you are more on the cautious side, you can set the indicator to conservative mode. On the other hand, if you're a maverick who loves all the action you can get, set it to aggressive. And if you want a combination of both, set it to medium. You can also manually slow it down or speed it up, depending on your preference, by using the custom trading style and adjusting the main parameter. What's also important is that Alpha Scalper provides 3 ways to inform you of the trade setups. Your likelihood of missing powerful trading opportunities is almost non-existent with its signal alerts. The first is the pop-up sound alert. Instead of sitting at your computer all the time, turn the volume up and get other things done in the meantime. When you get the alert, go to your computer and place your trade. You can also receive email alert within seconds. It's good when it pings on your phone. And now my favorite, mobile push notification. The good thing about this method is that as soon as you get the notification, you can pull up your mobile trading platform and open the trade right away. I've got you covered with these 3 methods. Every trade is important. The more you get, the faster your account grows. I can see you within a few minutes from now or on the next trading day with your trading platform open. You have 5 charts open, all loaded with Alpha Scalper, and your platform comes alive with multiple pinging alerts. You have trades. You pull up each chart. They each show ripe opportunities to score. You place your trades, set the profit targets as soon as Alpha Scalper generates them, and then whiz on with your day. But gosh, you're so excited to see how they will turn out that you can't contain yourself. You sit and watch as the trades meander their way to their intended targets, and boom, your account has effortlessly grown in a few minutes, just like that. No analysis, no second guessing, no thinking. This can be you. Today. Yes, within the next few minutes, you will get Alpha Scalper software, yours to keep for life. You'll never ever pay for updates or subscription. a simple-to-use user manual, clearly written so anyone would be able to go through it without any hitches. Support. I am a stickler for excellent customer support, and that's what I am extremely attentive to with all my customers. I am easily available. Simply email me at carl@karldittman.com, and I will respond to you as soon as possible, typically within just a few hours. Updates. You'll be the first to get updates if we find a way to make Alfa Scalper more efficient. Now, you've seen the proof. I've shown you Alfa Scalper in action. So here's the crucial question. How much do you think your investment should be? Easy. Relax. I'm not going to push it out of your reach. One beta tester wanted to give me $5,000 so I don't show it to anyone, but that's not my style. I'm not doing this for the money. Sure enough, having an additional income stream is nice, but Alfa Scalper was meant to level the playing field for the small traders, just like I was years ago. I wouldn't sleep well at night knowing that this one beta tester is enjoying Alfa Scalper while all the small traders are hardly making ends meet. That's why I am only going to let you have Alfa Scalper for just $147. When you think about how much you can make with it, that's absolutely nothing. Really, you're paying under $150 for a new lifestyle. What is $147 when this trading tool could easily help you pay for your family's vacation? What if your car's check engine light comes on and your mechanic tells you you're going to have to shell out $2,000 to fix the problem? What are you going to do? Run to the payday loan store to borrow the funds? Doing that will put you back at square one, back in the vicious cycle, broke. So before you tell yourself, oh, $147 is too much, think about what I just said. Think about all the lost profit you could have made if you click away and fail to take action right now. Plus, if you're really that doubtful, I'm going to go one step further and absorb all the risk for you by offering you my 100% no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. For the next 30 days, here's what I want you to do. Open a demo account or use small lots in your active account to test Alfa Scalper. Place trades on your favorite currency pairs according to the indicator's alerts. Really, rigorously test it. And if your experience is not what you've just seen and heard in this video, I want you to request every penny back. Understood? I don't want your money if you're not satisfied. There will be no hard feelings, no resentment. So, with that said, it's decision time. You now know my stance with regard to taking on your risk. What's your stance with regard to your future? I'm handing you the key to easy daily profits. All you have to do is take it by clicking the Order Now button below to get instant access to Alfa Scalper right now. Put it to the test and discover how powerful it is. Then, 30 days from now, you will be glad you made the decision to get it today. Click the Order Now button below right now.